The quintessential dilemma for most people looking to buy a new exercise bikes, and it's not hard to see why. It has all of the benefits that you would expect from an expensive piece of equipment: durability, ease of use, portability, etc. But at the same time, there are some drawbacks as well. Introduction: folding and non-folding exercise bikes. These are two different types of exercise bikes that are comparable to each other in terms of their features and functionality. But the main difference is that one type folds up while the other does not. We will talk about which is better for your gym routine because ultimately it depends on what you are looking for. The difference between folding stationary bikes and non-folding stationary bikes is narrowing every day. However, there are a few major distinctions. Let's take a look at that. What is a non-folding exercise bike? An exercise bike is a type of bike that lets people work out in the comfort of their own home. They are used by people who like to exercise but don't like going to the gym. There are many benefits to owning an exercise bike. For example, they provide low-impact aerobic exercises which are important for staying healthy. Exercise bikes can also be used as a form of rehabilitation after surgery, or, unlike traditional bikes, exercise bikes don't have to be used constantly. Some people prefer to use them for short periods of time to get in some exercise, while others use them all the time. What is a folding exercise bike? A folding exercise bike is a type of cycle designed for outdoor use. They can be pedaled like a regular bicycle, but typically they include some flat, low gears that make the pedals easier to pedal when the bike is unfolded and locked into place. The term folding exercise bike has been coined because these bikes are usually small and compact for transportation and storage purposes. They also weigh less than most standard bicycles, making them more popular in environments with off-road cycling. Additionally, their ability to be folded and carried in hand or mounted on a rack or handlebar offers greater portability than other types of cycles, such as road or mountain bikes. Folding exercise bikes are known for their lightweight, which results in very low inertia. This enables the pedals to be pedaled to move the bike forward, useful for outdoor cycling. While they may tend to take up less space than their non-folding counterparts, folding exercise bikes tend to be larger and heavier than their non-folding counterparts. The seat is also typically larger on these types of bikes. Folding exercise bikes allow you to store the bike in a compact, no-nonsense manner, ideal for use in small areas. When it comes to non-folding exercise bikes, do you experience greater momentum and better balance? These bikes are also designed to provide a more stable ride with extra cushioning and higher quality materials throughout. The downside here is that they tend to put more strain on the rider when in use, especially if you are of more diminutive stature or less physically adept. You will also need to make sure that your workout space is large enough for the bike. Non-folding exercise bikes can be pretty cumbersome when in use. However, folding bikes can be tricky to fold up, which is a pain when you're performing a quick workout during lunch break. Additionally, there's a potential for getting hurt when folding and unfolding the bike, as it could cause damage to the equipment if not done correctly. And finally, if your space or budget can't accommodate one of these larger scale models, you might be better off with an upright stationary bike instead to save even more space. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.